Hello, your good name, sir?
I'm Dr. Khanna, Arun Khanna.
Okay. What do you think about, from where did you come to know about this exhibition?
I saw in the newspaper. Then we were thinking if somebody has applied and Guinness Book has accepted, it should be something unique.
Okay, then what do you find? Is it really worth it, or it is just for the sake of?
No, no, it's really fascinating, very nice.
Do you find anything different in this card, which he has made it?
Yes, actually, I can't still imagine and a person can have so many different, every photograph is original. And we are both really stupefied how we managed to get so many original diyas and original.
Because this has been Indian man and his card is going for Guinness Book of Record. It has entered over there. Yeah. How do you feel about it?
We feel very proud.
Yeah, it's the same.
And about the Flames of India, the title which he has given, do you think it is really suitable for the card?
Yeah, it's true.
Yes, I think.
Because
And,
so many diyas and so many.
Because basic theme was that only. As in other countries, they light candles. Same way, in Indian tradition, lamps are more important. It gives an auspicious feeling. So, yeah, Diwali time. In every occasion, in every festival, we lantern the diyas, lantern the lamps, which is the Indian tradition. How do you think it will be appreciated outside India?
Yes, definitely. Because they have not seen this aspect of India. So many diyas and so many original Ganeshjis.
Because they know Indian as only Taj Mahal and other things, but this is something different he has tried out. And what do you want to say? Something for Atul Wagh who has done this?
I think he should try for another record because most of the foreigners would like to see who has beaten their record. They'll become envious. So you should make a record which they cannot beat. Then I'll feel really proud of Atul Wagh.
Okay, thank you, sir, very much. Thank you very much. Nice way, real traditional way. What India is actually, he has presented that, and each and every Indian should feel proud about him. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Good name, please.
Dipti.
Your profession.
I'm a student. Commercial arts I'm doing.
Okay, so and then what do you think about the exhibition?
It's good.
From where did you come to know about this?
Actually, my sister had come here for some work, so she told me that it's a good exhibition to come here. Okay.
Then what do you think about it? Is it worth going in Guinness Book of Records?
Yeah, surely.
As the name it is, Flames of India, do you think it is really worth the title?
Yeah, it is worth the title, surely, because everything is shown in there.
What difference you found in this?
There is more variety as such, and different things are used.
And creativity, do you see any creativity?
Yeah, obviously there's creativity, otherwise it's not possible.
And do you think this will be appreciated outside India as Indian tradition?
Yeah, it will be.
Because in Indian tradition, flames, Flames of India, as the name is, that we lighten the lamps in every festival. We think it is to be auspicious. So as they lamp the candles, same way in India they lighten the diyas. So do you think they'll appreciate this concept?
Yeah, they'll appreciate.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Different idea. It was really very exciting, and all the photographs, no photograph is repeated. That's why it is really great.
What do you think this attempt of Mr. Atul Wagh will make it for the Guinness Book of Records?
I think so. I hope so.
What do you think the message is being conveyed by these greeting cards to the world?
It is a festive season, and you should enjoy. Everybody should enjoy. Right.
Thank you very much. Good evening, ma'am. I would like to know your reaction about this exhibition.
It's really nice, something which I've never seen before, to be very frank. very nice photographs which are displayed, and even the greeting card. The whole thing that is up here is awesome.
Do you think the attempt of Mr. Atul Wagh will make it for the Guinness Book of Records?
I hope so, yeah. It'll be a really proud moment for all of us.
And what do you think the message is being conveyed by this greeting card?
India is great.
That means Indian tradition.
All the tradition are festivals that are coming up. Because the whole festival of light and picture, and it's like a beautiful thing to do at this time.
So what do you think then we should say, give the message to the world?
Across the world, learn from India, see what Indian people do. The culture, the harmony, the interaction between different cultures is amazing.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to know your good name.
Nandini,
Thank you. Your profession, ma'am?
I work with the BPO.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Good evening, sir. Your good name, please.
This is Dheeraj Jain. Yeah.
Okay, sir. By now you have seen the exhibition. We would like to know your reaction.
Like practically talking, I don't have a sound knowledge about art, but it's great to ears. I mean, it's like it's unbelievable sort of thing. I'm seeing, trying to see it for the first time. Not able to react. I don't have words to express my feelings.
Okay. Do you think this attempt of Mr. Atul Wagh will make it for the Guinness Book of Records?
I wish and I pray it should make it. Hopefully.
What do you think the message being conveyed by this greeting card? This nearly 416 feet greeting card.
Like the sir has tried to depict the Indian culture with a single sort of. I mean, everything is being covered. Sort of like. I hope it's spreading the message of love and the culture of the country.
Do you think the reaction will be outside India?
I mean, generally, all the Indian things are being loved out of India, especially. They are loved more than what they are loved in India. So, hopefully, this should fetch a lot of positive response.
Okay, then you want to say that Indian tradition, which will really show the flames outside our country.
Yeah, exactly. Like, we all people are proud to be Indians, and it should show out. Like,
thank you very much, sir. Hello, may I know your good name, please?
I'm Dr. Kalpana Deshpande, and this is something new. I mean, I have not seen such kind of exhibition. I come here very often, but this is something new concept, and it's a very good concept, I feel.
Okay. Do you think this attempt of Mr. Atul Wagh will make it for the Guinness Book of Records?
Guinness Book, maybe yes, because since such thing has not been created before, I feel it could,
What do you think has been message conveyed by this greeting card?
I find peace, light, and something to do with our culture. Something to do with our culture. Yeah, tradition.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Good evening, friends. I would like to know your name.
Vivek Bangde.
I'm Pratik.
Sheetal Ingolika. Purva Bute.
Okay, I would like to know your reaction about this exhibition.
Yeah, it's awesome, but most of the photographies are generally human beings are there. And I just find about this one is awesome. I thought it's a one single print. I know it's not single print, na? I just seen this, and most of these are like advertising photography, na? Most of them mouse clicking, and that one, it's the mixing is very nice. This side is also very nice. No smoking, please.
You're an art student?
Yeah, I'm architect.
Okay. No, I would like to know your reaction about will this greeting card make it for the Guinness Book of Record? Will Atul Wagh's effort work out?
Of course, why not? It's a good news. Shwas is also going for Oscar, and this is also very nice Guinness Book.
So, what do you think the message is being conveyed by this greeting card?
Yeah, Diwali is a good festival for us. This is Hindu festival most of the time, and in our India is always a good festival. Everybody keeps the family connection is all.
So it shows the Indian tradition.
Yeah, of course.
When it goes out of India, around the world, that they'll understand what India
Yeah.
is and what their tradition is.
The people who are outside India, they'll also.
appreciate the
Yeah, this one. It's very nice.
What about you?
I think it's a very novel concept. It's really very nice and very innovative and creative, and such exhibitions should be encouraged so that people can know more about art and all the.
I would like to give best of luck so that this greeting card gets nominated for World. Okay, thanks a lot, friends. See you. आँखें करोड़ देता हूँ हमारे इसमें म्यूजियम में मैं होती तो देख आया इसलिए जो देखा ना आपण आमच्या एक्झिबिशनला आला तिथे अतुल वाघांनी जे ग्रीटिंग कार्ड केलेलं आहे 6 इंच बाय 415 फुटाचं त्याच्याबद्दल आम्हाला फार बरं वाटलं. तर तुम्ही हे पाहिलं एक्झिबिशन तर तुमचं काय मत आहे ह्याच्याबद्दल की हे ग्रीटिंग कार्ड गिनीज बुकमध्ये जाऊ शकेल का?
नाही गिनीज बुकमध्ये जायलाच पाहिजे कारण गिनीज बुकचं जे आहे ते रेकॉर्ड काहीतरी 25-26 फुटाचं काहीतरी आहे आणि तुमचं तर जायलाच पाहिजे 100%. त्यावर तर काय तर आपण आधी पत्रावर झालाच असेल आपला पत्रावर झाला असेलच
हो झालेलं आहे
गिनीज बुकमध्ये जायलाच पाहिजे. आणि कौतुकास्पद बात आहे की बा हे याच्यापुढे शब्द अपुरे आहेत म्हणजे एका शब्द सांगायचं म्हणजे शब्द अपुरे पडतात बाकी काहीच नाही. आणि विश्वास बसू शकणार नाही की बा इतके मनुष्य इतके लांब हे करू शकतात. इतके शार्पनेस प्रत्येक पिक्चरमध्ये शार्पनेस आहे. मी फोटोग्राफरच आहे त्यामुळे प्रत्येक फोटोचा मला अंदाज कळतो याच्या पाठीमागे लायटिंग टाकताना किती त्रास घ्यायला लागला असेल बॅकग्राऊंड मिक्स करताना किती त्रास घ्यायला लागेल हे बरोबर नजरेत येतं आपल्या फक्त. याबद्दल मी त्यांचं कौतुक करावं तितकं कमीच आहे.